So I'm going to so I will just so basically from today the rest of this project will be me just building like a shitload of components that we can put in this so they can be generated. But now first I want to upload this to npm so we can see that it works really cool. So actually this is kind of I have never uploaded anything to npm before, so this is gonna be interesting. So this is actually like a Firebase cloud function, but that shouldn't really matter, should it? Because this is basically just like a node app. So I guess that we should be able to upload it somehow, I don't know. So let's actually just look at this Firebase cloud function and upload to npm. Or how does it work? How does npm so I guess we got to deploy it to Firebase. So Firebase functions. How do you does someone know in the chat how to publish your stuff on npm? Publish library. Here, how to publish and update a package. Let's do that one. Okay, so should we watch the video or should we read? Okay, so understand npm policies. So let's just look this through really quick here. So before you begin, it's a good idea to review. Yeah, I think I reviewed these policies another time. Or I mean, yes, okay. Create a user account. Okay, so I don't have a user account. So to publish, you must be a user on the npm registry. If you aren't a user, create an account by using npm add user. If you created a user account on the site, use, okay. Okay, so I got to add the user, okay. So let's do npm add user, I guess. So I'm gonna go in new tab here. So let's see here if we can username. So my username should be Krish code. Yeah. Password. I'm gonna use let's see, that password. Okay. Email. This is public. Okay. Chris at Gmail. Yes. Now something is, yes, it worked. Cool. So now I'm logged in. Oh, now I got a bunch of emails. Got a bunch of emails from npm now. Okay, so oh, what is this? So this is my user, or is it? Oh, what is this? Disk size. I don't know. Anyway, so okay. Oh, slash username. Check that username has been added to the registry. Alright, so that was like okay. So now we can do Krish code here. We should Yeah, cool. Okay, so now I have a user account on npm. Good. So now we do the next thing here. Okay, so review the package directory. Okay. Note that everything in the directory will be included unless it's ignored by local git ignore. Okay, so do we have something that we want to not have here? I don't think so. I think we just want everything, right? So maybe here's a git. Oh right, so it's like yeah, the Firebase cloud function has like a like a default git ignore. So I guess I'm just gonna do that. Okay, choosing a name. Choose a unique name for your package. Try to choose a descriptive name that isn't already owned by someone else. What if the flow is already... So like the chances of flow actually being used are pretty big, right? Yeah. Oh, that's such a chain, right? So maybe what's it? Redis powered Node.js autocomplete. Oh man. So maybe we should do like flow.js. Can you do that with the name, right? So there's something called flow, this animation library. Okay. Can we have like a... is it okay to have like the .js in the name, you think? Yeah, because this guy, right? Big.js. So okay, so let's do flow.js. Okay. It's not spelled like another name. Okay, so no, because we have like the .js, right? So that should be good. Will not confuse others about the authorship. I don't think that will confuse anyone, I think. So guidelines, specify the name in the appropriate line. Okay, right, so now we have to do the name in the package.json. So description here, name. Okay, so let's do flow.js. And now I actually have the description here on the GitHub page. I want to have this description. Oops. Okay, there we go. Cancel. Okay. So there's the description. So that's good. So the next thing, include documentation. Right, so okay. So let's just for now make a README file, and just so we have one, and then I can write documentation some other time. Yes, let's do that. So we can do flow.js. Then we can also do this. So let's do that. So that I'm so bad at Markdown. I always have to look up the Markdown stuff. Okay. So we should want to put that in the in that folder, right? So it's added here. So now there it is. Okay, README. Okay, so now we have a README file. Yeah. Okay. Before you begin, please look at some of the package pages to get idea for the information you can add. Yeah, right. So I'm actually gonna... Maybe we should add the this npm install thing. So let's do like one simple installation. Is that how it is spelled? Yes, it is. So let's do installation. And how do you do like code thing? Using npm. Then I want like a code. Does anyone know in the chat? Markdown code. Okay, so code. Oh yeah, right. So I want one of these ones, right? So let's try this out. So this should be oh, so you okay, so it like uses the right syntax highlighting. Okay, good. So now we can write here npm install flow, I guess, or flow.js maybe. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so let's just, I think this is good for now. I can like write the documentation another time, because I can imagine that it would be really boring to watch someone write documentation. Okay, so now we have that file. When you publish, this documentation will be displayed. Yes, okay. Okay, publish. So now we just do npm publish, and this should be up and running. But how do we... so when I have published this, how do the user use it? So they just go like npm flow.js and it starts, right? Or how does it work? Or do they just do flow maybe? So flow.js and then they can use that? Or because if, so say if I like download the Firebase CLI, I type npm install Firebase or something, and then I just go like Firebase. So yeah, so people who use this are gonna go like flow.js, and it's gonna start. So I can, so the JS will be kind of like ugly, right? Like I want people to go like this, but that name was already taken. So maybe we should do like, is that allowed to do like flow 2 O's? Because it's not the same name, right? Because it's just like, so this is called flow. So what if we just add an O here? So, okay. So I have to make a really important choice here. So do we want it to be called flow with 2 O's, or do we want it to be called flow.js? Or maybe just doesn't have to be .js, you can just put a flow.js. Because it's really annoying to have to type like flow.js if you want to use it. flow.js. Yeah, let's do Flow.js without the I don't know. I kind of like the dot better for the name, but I don't want to type it every time I start it. But okay, yeah, well, you know what? We are going with the .js. That's it's gonna be fine, I think. So that was the name that we have here, right? Yes, okay. So now we can just do npm publish, I guess. So let's try it out. npm. Oh wait, I'm not in the right directory. So now we can do npm publish. Okay, so what happened here? No such file or directory. What? Oh, so it's in the functions. Now it should work. Publish. Okay, so a version. Okay, so where do we have that? Is this just like this? Or version? Version. So what do we like? What version do you pick? Because this is like not. This is like a super alpha release, right? So what? How do you do that? Alpha release. Is it like 0.0.1 like that? That's like how you do the first release, right? Or does anyone know in the chat? And then, so these are like, this is like a major feature, right? Or this is like breaking changes or something. And this is like a minor. Or is that correct? Yeah, like this is like breaking changes update, right? Or maybe it doesn't have to be like no, wait, so this is like the first one is major release, and this is minor, and this is like bug fixes. So I guess we're gonna go with like this, right? Oh, Rivace! Hello! Hello, how are you doing? Thanks for the help yesterday, Rivace. Did you see my YouTube video I uploaded today? I put you in the title, if that's okay. Oh, here, semantic versioning. Let's pull this up here. Okay. So, Rivace, I have everything working now, so I'm about to publish the first version. So semantic versioning, right. So this is major version when you make incompatible API. Yeah, exactly, so breaking changes. And minor is when you add functionality in a backwards compatible manner. Alright, and this, yeah, so I had the right sort of mindset already, but I wasn't sure. So when you make it backwards compatible bug fixes. Okay, so we should do what? We should do 0.1.0 probably. Or maybe 1.0. But I'm so confused because like if you look at Tailwind, for example, so they have version 0.6, right? So we should probably have 0.1.0. Yes, I think that's the correct version. Yes, let's do that. Okay, 0.1.0. Exactly. And then when we make bug fixes, we can update this one. And then when we release the full thing, we do the 1.0. Okay. So let's go with that. I'm just gonna close this. And now let's see here. Yes, npm publish. So I would go for 0.1.0. Yeah, exactly. That's what we are doing. So now let's do npm publish and see if we have everything. Okay. Flow.js. This package has been marked as private. Remove the private field from the package.json to publish it. Okay, so that's what we want to do, right? So private, okay, false. So now it should be published. Okay, so failed put. Package name too similar. Oh no. Try renaming your package to. Oh, that's such a disappointment. Okay, so what should we name it, guys? Guys in chat. So I want it to be called Flow, because there's like no other like big JS that is called Flow. One is called Flow like that. Then we have no Flow. And what else? So there is like this one, but this is not like even a. This is just like some random package. Get like 6 downloads per week, you know. So I'm so angry that I can't use my name. So this is no Flow. Can we do it? How can we change the name to something like? Should we check if we can, so maybe we can just like do 2 O's, but that would probably they won't like that either, I think. I'm gonna try to do it with 2 O's, or maybe like this. No, that probably won't make a difference, right? Let's try 2 O's and see if it wants to do that. Or maybe we should just do it like my name, Krish Flow. Krish. Oh, let's try. Maybe should we do 2 O's, guys? I'm so bad at making decisions. You know what? Let's just do Krish Flow, because Krish is my like nickname, right? So let's do Krish Flow. But we will still when we market the when we market the library, we can just like market it as Flow, but like the package name is Krish Flow. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. Or maybe Flow Krish. Krish Flow, Krish Flow. No, Krish Flow is like nicer to say. Okay, so let's do Krish Flow. That should not exist on npm already. Okay, you must verify your email before publishing a new package. Okay, so I'm just gonna open that. I should probably open my email in another window so you don't get a sneak peek on all my emails. So I have an email from npm here. So okay, so verify. I'm going to verify my email. Okay, so I have to log in here. Okay, so I'm logging in. And did something happen? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think I'm verified now. So let's try to do the publishing again. Okay. Yes. Oh, cool! It's working. This is really exciting. This is like the first. I have never published anything like on anything open source before. Hey, Krish Flow. So now we can install this. Okay, so this is gonna be really fun to try out now. Okay, Rivachi, are you still here? You're my guy, Rivachi. You and I built this together.